Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clean up temporary files on your Windows 8 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to just start by going over to the Start menu. Just click on the Start button one time. Type in Disk Cleanup. Left click on where it says Free Up Disk Space by deleting unnecessary files. So left click on that. Give it a moment to run the initial disk cleanup prompt here. Okay, so once we're in here, you want to go ahead and make sure where it says temporary internet files is checkmarked for delete. Make sure temporary internet files is checkmarked in here. And temporary files down here, you want to checkmark that as well. And then left click on OK. It's going to ask you sure you want to permanently delete these files. Left click on delete files. Okay, so once that's done, you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.